Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to extract the data from the website without prior programming language. So without further ado, let me get started. So the first thing you need to do is go to the website called PassUp and then download it. PassUp is a very powerful tool and then it's free. Don't worry about that. It can help us to extracting the data more easier, more convenient, and save tons of the data because we don't need to write any code to extract the data from the website. So once you've done all the things, it will show up in this main page. So you just need to create a new project. So in today, I'm going to create the project called the COVID-19. So by using the Python. So what I will do in later on is, let's say I will insert some things, for example, the state Selangor, the name of this Malaysia country, Selangor. So it will show out the total case, total numbers, the total new case, and then the total death. So you don't need to always go to the particular website to see the new case that appeared in today. So you just create a programming that always they're updating the new cases for you. So you don't need to waste your time to go to particular website to see the new case or other things. So the first thing you need to do is copy the links. So don't worry about that. I will share it in my comments. After you copy, just start the project of this URL. So the first thing you need to do is create a new select. So what is select? For example, like because I want to extract the data called the confirm case, today confirm case, total confirm case. All I need to do just click confirm and then click recover and then click the that. After you click all the things, what you need to do is create the plus and relative select, because we need to know what is the confirm data. So just create the confirm, it will relative to the subset called the 660, the number. So also create this one. This one, it will automatically tell you to select less of the things because it is in the same row, same column. So this website quite intelligent. So what you need to do is just name it, just name, I think it's name this one name, this one total etc. And then after that, I also want to extract the data from here, this one. So cause I want to know what is the today case in particular state. So you need to do is just click the select again, and then I just call it state. Now then I just create them, also create. After you click 3 times, and then it will select all the same columns and same row. So you don't need to waste your time to select all the things. So okay, after you just click the step, and then easy one. So after that, what you need to do is create the div select. I want to know to the total first. This one also I want to know total. Okay, it will select all the things automatically. So I think state case. And also this one also this I want to also know the know the new case appear into there. So my choice is not very good today. So to say okay, I just say I just close new case. Also, I think I saw also with some things the call that that I think that's all for all the data I need for our COVID-19 project. So just click the get data. Yeah. Oh, I think I need to use this one I call Malaysia. So, get the data first, then click the lab. Just wait for the few seconds. Once you download it, because today I'm going to use the API to access the data, so just click the API. Of course, you can use a CSV file or JSONs. So for today's lesson, I better use the API. Just click it, and then this one is API. That I will use. So for the API, I will use this API key project token to get the request. So once the all we done, now get into the programming language. So for this programming language, one thing I want to confirm you that you need some basic programming language in order to process this part. So okay. So first thing you need to do is you need to import the call import request. So okay. Also you need to import JSONs. Some of you, if you haven't downloaded it, you can just code the terminal and hit install JSONs. I think because I already downloaded it, so I think it's also request. If you haven't downloaded it, hit install. Sorry, I forgot to use the request. So I think it's a built-in function, so we don't need to download pit install it. So I already forgot about this one is built-in function or not. So let's say if you cannot import this one, you need to download it. Just click pit install. Then after that, what you need to do is go to here. Sorry, I think it's here. I think just copy Control C. It's more clean. Control C. API key. Go to After that, also you use project.com. Go to this one. Once you've done, for this one I want to create the classes called data. Just follow what I've done in this. Just follow it. Say after create the class, what you need to do is that it needs. So this one I need to use API key. API key, and then this one also project token. The reason I create a data class data because every time I access this data, I don't need to write again the view variables. So I just create a one class, and then when I want to access the data, I just use the class. Don't need to create a new things again. Repeat up. It saves a lot of time. So what I do is self dot init, but sorry, it's not self dot API key equal to API key. Self dot project token equal to project token. And then the first thing you also need to create this one. Parents. This is a format to get the request from the API. So just follow what I did in here, and then this one I'll show you to the API key. To self.api. So after you've done this, so get data self here. The first thing you do is request. Get. Then go to here to copy this one. Okay, let's see project token in here, because in the upper side I did use self-dot project tokens. I just done like it. So the reason I use the self-dot project tokens because this one I need to use formatted string. So once later after I create the complete data, I will use this one data and then equal to data class. I will pass it the API okay, token also project token. So the project token will directly pass it to here. It's because self.api equal to API key. So this one will directly pass it to here. This one also directly pass it to here. So this one is sent. So this one is sent with this one because I already passed it to project token in here. So this one is a format to get the request up. So you just need to follow it. After that, you need to call this parent, this authentications to get the request. What you need to do is call this self.parent. Okay, I think we will be. After that, you need to call this stations.load. Download this I call this one as server download server cell dot data server, and then also call this one cell dot data no cell dot get data. Okay, and then what I need to do is and then because I need to lead this server, so I need to use the test. So after we done data dot data dot data, because I call this function, so this one will call, then it will call this self dot data. So I just need to pass it dot data in order to log this one server for test. Let me print this out now, because don't have any error. Yes, don't have any error. So here I already got all the data from the website. For example, next year total confirm got 600 360, recover 330, depth per stagnant Sapa. Okay, that's all. And then what you need to do in here also, because I need to accept particular data. So what we need to do, for example, I want to accept the I want to access the particular state. For example, I want to access Kuala Lumpur. So what we Kuala Lumpur, the data that belong to Kuala Lumpur. So what we need to do is get state. So I call this one country principal. So in here what I need to do is data equal to self dot data, and then for this one, so hold on, because the object is called the stack. So what I need to do stack okay, stack. So I will access all the stack. For example, Sabah, Kuala Lumpur, and the rest of the stack. So what I need to do is, so for the content in data, I think so. For content, if the content the stack name, I need to use that stack name equal to country. So I think I need to put the lower so that let's say if the user insert the length of the stack is lowercase, so it will not affect anything. So okay, let's say this I do enough doing the data. Okay, step. So only access color info PDF. Yes. Yeah, I will access the one column for because I will need to know it the values. So what we need to do is because I need to access all the data in the column 4 belong to column 4, so I think I need to delete this one. That's all. For example, let's say yes. So I did success. So standing column 4 the total stack is 4,000. Allow 4,000 a new case in total stack. So okay. And so last thing I need to do, I think is I need to the stack name. Let's say I need to access the data that from the today current total current cases. Okay, current cases. So this one. Also need to data. There is also need to see. Second. I need to Malaysia total. Malaysia total. Something the stack name. Or if the step if the length equal to confirm let's need to turn this one. Let's see. Data okay. Current cases. Okay, at least I need to confirm. There is none. You can count. Zero and before. Yeah. So the length confirm case for the Malaysia today is 616. So you can access all the data by using these functions. For example, if you want to access the recover, just do it same with me step by step by step. You will succeed it. So for example, you want that or you want to access all the things in the Malaysia tutorial also can. So yeah. Okay. If you insert okay. So again for this one, just need to turn the top. So let's say you dot okay. So okay okay color cases. But that see the confirm also recover also like that. So that's all for today's hope you enjoy and please don't forget to subscribe me. Thank you everyone.